On May 20, 2025, severe flooding struck Mapusa, Goa, India, due to extreme rainfall submerging roads, vehicles, and creating chaos. This event underscores the growing need for enhanced disaster preparedness as climate incidents become more frequent and intense. The flooding in Mapusa is part of a broader trend of increasing extreme weather in India, driven by climate change. In 2023, a World Bank report warns that such disasters could cost India up to 2.8% of its GDP annually by 2050 if current trends persist.